Well, would you look at that? The fluid level in my PC is running a bit low. A lot of agitation there, so let's fix that. For the last year or so, this has been my fluid of choice. It's liquid graphene by FlexiGraph. It's their Go Chiller formula, and it's been really nice. It's very viscous, so it doesn't actually stain anything. I've put it in a number of builds so far. Each one, its drop temperature is about 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, which is pretty cool. Just by using a different type of fluid, you get lower temperatures, which is a win. We'll just use a simple tool to open it up. Just like that. This screws right off. And we'll go ahead and just stick the tube in here, squeeze, and allow it to fill up. Put the cap back on. And then we'll use the tool to just give it a nice little snug of a turn. Simple as that. The tubing that I'm using is actually zero maintenance tubing, ZMT by EKWB. They do a great job with their tubing and obviously water cooling supplies overall. This actually almost eliminates permeation, which is basically the fluid evaporating through the tubing. Also, because this is black, it's not going to discolor. If you just had clear tubing, no matter what color fluid you're going to use besides clear, it will actually discolor that tubing over time, like stain it. And even the clear fluid will actually kind of turn the color of clear tubing over time as well. So this is really nice. It maintains your fluid quality for a very, very long time. I use it in this build here, as well as my NAS. Yes, I have a water-cooled NAS. Oh, and my thread ripper system. I use it everywhere.